before I start this video, I just want to say that you will see me in this state most of the time of this video because I am going to explain what happened right after the clip that you will see in this vlog. Let's just go ahead and watch the video and God damn it.
Catsomenesss, guys, my name is Mr.Savour and today is going to be the first vlog that I will ever made. Maybe the first and last one, just kidding. Okay, many of you guys are asking me to make a vlog video and I've been thinking this for a long time since I was starting YouTube that I am going to make a vlog video, but I'm kinda shy and humiliated about talking in front of camera in public, so maybe this is the very perfect day to take a step on overcoming that shyness or humiliation stuff, and I think just step to the front. I know that's kind of cringy, and okay, so maybe I'm gonna start my day and doing the errand that my mother gave me. So let's do the montage. Okay, so nagbabike na ako ngayon. Papunta na ako dun sa inutusan sa akin ni Mama. And it looks like this is kind of dangerous because I'm driving with only one hand. God damn it, I might die, and maybe the jokes might, you know, magkatotoo. Puta. Okay, buti na lang wala mga nagbabantay ng daanan. Which is ganito talaga. Just kidding. Hindi ko alam kung narinig niyo ako, pero nandito na ako ngayon at nasa gilid ako okay, papatayin ko. Okay, so I just got the bread in here and I'm very late in our foundation day and my friends might get angry or mad at me because I'm always fucking late. This is the first time that I'm going to do a vlog video, so I don't know on how to make a montage. Maybe this. Fucking dangerous, man. Like for real, I'm driving with my hand. Maybe this is how I start my day, god damn it. And everyone is staring at me like, what the fuck is he doing? Fuck you guys, don't you guys know what vlog is? God damn it. I know that this is dangerous, but still, I will do this for my vlog. Maybe my first vlog is going to be the dangerous one. Okay, so I just saw a dog. I just saw a dog. And my battery is already low. How can I do a vlog video when my battery is already low so fast? Ah, fuck. Okay, let's do this.
After I finished the errand that my mom gave me, I directly took a bath as fast as I can because it's kind of late and I am very nervous that my friend will get mad at me because I always come up late. So I go ahead and took a bath and prepare myself, and after that I took a tricycle to go in the town, and I tried to record myself inside the tricycle, but unfortunately the voice quality is kind of corrupted to the point that you can understand what I am talking about. And let's go ahead and watch the clip.
Okay, so sakay ko na. Pupunta na ako sa Tabuan para sa sakay ng Tabuan. Actually, wala ko ngayon. Nagalit yung mga klase ko. Okay, so pasakay na ako ngayon and I don't know if my friends are already there waiting for me, and as you can see, sobrang late na ako ngayon at medyo nakaka-humiliate yung ginagawa ko kasi hindi ako masyado sanay. This is the first time I'm going to do this and fuck. Okay, pasakay na ako ngayon ng jeep. Okay, so nandito na ako sa mall and medyo nag-mili pa ng kaunti na yung kaibigan ko ng mga damit para sa personal vlog nila at hindi ko masyadong sure kung papaano. And I think pagkatapos nito, mamimili na rin kami at manonood kami ng movie ng Spider-Verse. So, montage muna. Okay, so pumunta muna sila, Aliyah, yung mga kasama ko para mamili at i-reserve yung cinema. And naiwan ako ngayon dito sa video, which is kakanta ko na naman. And maybe, hindi ko pa alam kung anong content guys. Okay, so nandito na ako ngayon sa Subic at pauwi na ako. May inutos lang si mama na mamili daw ako ng inasal, and hindi pa ako masyado marunong mag-vlog, so medyo magkakaroon tayo ng problema. So pupunta na ako sa inasal. Wala po. Okay. So nakabili na ako ngayon ng inasal, which is pinapabili ni mama, siguro bubuli siya. At di ko alam kung for sure kung saan ako. Maybe tatawid ako basta hindi sa pedestrian. Fuck. Okay, this is illegal.
Okay, that is how the vlog finished, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though that it is unsuccessful and it's not perfect. But I get this vlog to take a step on overcoming the fear of bad experience and doing and to break the humiliation and kind of stuff that is being at obstacles and doing the vlog and other stuff. So that's all for today, and if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content that you might enjoy from me and doing videos, also gameplays. And if you really enjoyed this video, share it to your friends and loved ones, and be sure to give me some likes, and have a nice day.